Hi! In front of me is Oppo A1 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Battery section. Now scroll all the way down. Click on More Settings and click on this gray switcher next to High Performance Mode. Then select OK in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, High Performance is on. If you wish to disable it, click on the same No Blue switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!